What's something people don't know about Daraz? It's a gold mine for entrepreneurs. First things first, you need to create an account. Head over to Daraz's website and click on Sign Up. Enter your email, create a password, and fill in your basic info. Easy, right? Next, you'll need to set up your seller profile, and then click on Become a Seller. Add your business details like name, address, and phone number. Remember, this is your digital storefront. Make it shine. Now let's list your products. You click Add a Product, upload clear photos, write catchy descriptions, and set your prices. Don't forget to choose the right category. It helps customers find you faster. Finally, promote your store. Use social media, offer discounts, and get those reviews rolling in. The more you engage, the more you sell. And that's it. From sign up to selling, you're all set to make some money on Daraz. Happy selling.